Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to properly create an ebook using WordGenie from Designer. So first, access WordGenie. Log in to view to Designer website and sign into your account. To launch WordGenie, from the dashboard, click on the plus create button located at the upper right corner or select the WordGenie icon from the quick launch menu. Next, define your ebook parameters. Choose WordGenie as your content generation tool. Choose a theme and then specify your niche. Enter a broad topic and select a sub-niche from the suggestion provided. Lastly, identify target audience. Define who the ebook is intended for, such as teenagers or aspiring entrepreneurs. Step 3. Generate an ebook or an ebook content. WordGenie will propose several titles based on your inputs. Select the one that resonates the best. For outline creation, review and, if necessary, edit the auto-generated outline to ensure it covers all desired topics. For content generation, once the outline is finalized, WordGenie will begin drafting the ebook content. This process may take up to 10 minutes. Step 4. Review and edit. After generation, assess the content for accuracy, coherence, and relevance. Utilize editing tools. Use features like rewrite paragraph, adjust tone or grammar, and spelling check to enhance the text. Note that these actions may consume additional credits. Step 5. Finalize and design. Save draft once satisfied. And then design layout. Apply a suitable template, adjust formatting, and incorporate visuals to enhance the ebook's appeal. Lastly, export and publish. Export the ebook in your preferred format, such as PDF, EPUB, or MOBI. Share the ebook with your audience through your chosen platforms or use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list. And that's basically it.